This is called the Sound Tech Blues, to the tune of Hank Williams' Homesick Blues. Sound Tech Blues, here we go. I hauled in the monitors, I hauled in the amps, I plugged in the wires and I found out I can't. I got the Sound Tech Blues. I got the Sound Tech Blues. Hey Lord, I got them. I got the Sound Tech Blues. We cranked up the band, we turned them up loud, adjusted the soundboard but couldn't please the crowd. I got the Sound Tech Blues. Oh, got the Sound Tech Blues. Hey Lord, I got them. I got the Sound Tech Blues. So we changed some wires, we turned some down. We couldn't please the crowd, couldn't make them smile. I got the Sound Tech Blues. Oh Lord, got the Sound Tech Blues. Hey Lord, I got them. I got the Sound Technician Blues. The gig was over, the band upset. I gave them the soundboard and haven't seen them set. I had the Sound Tech Blues. Oh Lord, I had the Sound Tech Blues. Oh Lord, I had them. I had the Sound Tech Blues. Hope you liked it. Thank you.